Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka IIM Shillong ha ka khatsan tarik ursau arjar khat khandai kala pelong ya kajing ya thir. Halor kajing im jong Presiden Barim jong gari India, u Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, ya u bala jutip ru kum u Missile Man jong gari India. Hagani kajing yalang u Chairman Barim jong ISRO Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, u bala long u kongsan, ula ai kajing keren bekerpang halor sunyang u benhei, ba uni u riu krau jong gari ula no sya u sup utiar jong gari India. Hagani kesngi lai don langru u Director jong North East Space Application Center, u Dr. PLN Raju, u Inspector General of Police Katanat CRPF, u D Prakash, ka Editor jong Kot Khubor The Shillong Times ka kong Patricia Mukhim, ka bala longkum ka kongsan bala syakot kerpang.
On asteroid, there has been one experiment from Japan called Hayabusa, trying to reach there, trying to drill and find out. So still it is in the realm of dream at the moment. But closer possibility is from moon. So this is one direction. When you look at moon again, there are other things to be understood. That is for science. That is, moon is the treasure house of the history of planetary evolution, especially those craters. And because there is no atmosphere for moon, they will be in those shapes. That's why another interest comes. And what comes out of that exploration is to be seen. So certainly this is a direction for the future. Maybe 40, 50 years from now, we could see something happening in this direction.